Ready already? Oh, hello then. Hi everybody. What the hell is that? Oh, hello Ayati. Oh, wow. So papalicious. The dimple. Somebody knocking the door. Yeah, I think so. Really? Wow. So sexy, the celebrant. You know, Hayati, you're like my cousin. Yeah, the face. She's already married. No, but the same. Mm. Pakutums. Okay, who's the winner? Is this girl? You need to run. And then the other girl? But this one is so busy. And then the third girl? Oh my god, she's delicious. Oh, really? But this one always busy. How about this, the papalicious? Oh, the cleavage. Romina is the most beautiful of them all. How about me?
No comment. No comment.
Because I'm the one who give you.
The pretty girl.
The birthday girl always full thing, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what can you say?
Okay, pretty girl. What can you say about today? Give us
Yeah. You have a copy there?
quotation. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you for the donation. For all the food. Yeah, for the
Oh my god, we forgot it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What happened?
Oh,
My god!
oh my god. No need to use computer today. It's a holiday. No need.
Yeah, and how about you? Did you send any comments?
No comment.
Tomorrow is your birthday, not today.
Come
Right.
on.
The days will be true.
Your bubble tea is so big.
Oh, at the back.
Yeah.
That's why you said it.
Yeah, I know.
Can I have your Ah, gonna see it.
Pila raman ni minute 6 raman gani.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, enough lah, enough.
What enough? Enough. What enough?
So that I can download it immediately to the
Where's your laptop?